Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class, and today we will be doing chapter number 6, that is ordinals. Okay, so first let us clear what is ordinal. Now ordinal is what? It is nothing, it just shows the position of the given object. Alright children, now for example, now at home, if mummy gives you some work to do, you are 2-3 brothers or sisters, if mummy gave you some work to do and she tells you that let me see who complete the work first. Now what she is using over there? First. So first, and who will come second and who will come third. So first, second, third, these are known as ordinal as they show us the position. Okay. So on the basis of ordinals, let us look at some pictures. Okay, now in a jungle there was a race competition. Okay, a sport was organized and everybody took part in that sports competition. Okay, so like deer, bird, hippo, duck, cat, tiger, all these animals took part in a running competition. Alright, so let us find out who came first in that race competition. Okay, so let us look at this picture. Now see over here. Now the first picture is of cat and she is known as Miss Smiley because she came first. Okay, Miss Smiley, she came first in the race. Okay, now second position was of Miss Darling Duck. Alright, third position was of Mr. Fatso. Okay, fourth position was of Mr. Softy. Fifth position was of Mr. Fatty. And sixth position was of Miss Ant. Seventh position was of Mr. Naughty. Okay, eighth position was of Miss Birdie. Ninth position was of Mr. Modi. Okay, and the last position, the 10th position was of Mr. Tiny. Okay, so now we know that the position of all these animals and birds. Alright children, now on the basis of the position, we will answer some of the questions over here. Alright, now look at this question. You can take out page number 82. Alright, now see the first question A. Now who came first? Now look at the picture and tell me who came first. First, Miss Smiley. She came first in the race. Okay, so I will write over here Miss Smiley. Alright, now come to the next question. That is the B question. What was the position of Mr. Fatty? Alright, now look over here. Now where is Mr. Fatty? Here, Mr. Fatty was 5th position. Alright, so I will write over here 5th. Okay, it was 5th position. Okay, now look at the C question. Now why was Mr. Tiny sad? Now look at Mr. Tiny. Mr. Tiny was sad because he came last in the race. Even you also feel sad, no? When you are taking part in the race and you come last, you feel sad. So same way Mr. Tiny was also feeling very sad when he came last. Alright, now come to the next question. D. Why was Miss Smiley so happy? Can you see Miss Smiley so happy over here? Yes, why she was so happy? Because she came first in the race. Alright. Now come to the E question. What was the position of Miss Birdie? Okay, so look at the picture and tell me what was the position of Miss Birdie? 8th position. Okay, she came 8th in the race. Alright, so I will write over here 8th. Now who was in 7th position? Now look at the picture. Now tell me who was in the 7th position? Mr. Naughty Deer. He was in the 7th position. So I will write over here Mr. Naughty. Okay, he was in the 7th position. Alright, so now we have learned how to recognize and how to use ordinals for the given object. Okay, now children, after that we will learn how to write those ordinals in figures and in words also. Alright, now come to this part. Now we have learned how to recognize the position of the given object. Okay children? Now, so we will write those ordinals in numbers also and in words also. Alright? Now how to write ordinals in numbers? See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9 and 10. Okay, now we will write in words also. Now see first how we have written F-I-R-S-T first. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D second. Third, T-H-I-R-D third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H fourth. F-I-F-T-H fifth. S-I-S-T-H sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H seventh. 8. E-I-G-H-T-H 8th. 9. N-I-N-T-H 9th. Last 10. T-E-N-T-H 10. Alright children. So we have learned this now, how to write the numbers also and in words also. Alright, so now on the I have put some more pictures so that we can recognize the given objects, okay, the position of the given objects. Alright, now come to the next question, that is the second question. Okay, circle the things of the given order. Okay, so look at the A1, my ordinal number is 5th over here. Okay, and some butterflies pictures are given to me, so I will find out which butterfly is in the 5th position. So I will start counting their position: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Okay, so circle this butterfly which is in the 5th position. Okay, now come to the B1. Ordinal number is 10th over here. Alright, so we will find the 10th position among this ball. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So I will circle this ball which is in the 10th position over here. Alright, now come to the C1. Ordinal number is 8 over here. Alright, so we have to find out the 8th position among these marks. Alright, so start 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So this mark is in the 8th position. So I will circle this mark which is in the 8th position. Alright, now come to the D1. Ordinal number is over here is 6. Okay, so I will find out which cup is in the 6th position over here. So start counting: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So this mark is in the 6th position. So I will circle this mark. Okay, see the last one, E1, 3rd position. Okay, third, my ordinal number is over here, 3rd. So I will find out which bug is in the 3rd position. Okay, so start counting: 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So this bug is in the 3rd position. I will circle this bug. Alright, I hope you have understood this ordinal number over here. Alright, so keep practicing at home, and maths work has to be practiced daily children. Alright. Okay children, now let's start with the 7th chapter. Okay, that is skip counting. Alright. Now, what do we understand by skip counting? First, we learn what is skip counting. Alright, now skip counting is what? In skip counting, we keep adding the same number. Okay, we keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. Alright, the same number is added to the previous number. Okay, now how? For example, let's count in twos. Alright. Now, one tree I have made over here. Alright, now it has numbers from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Alright, now these counting has been done in twos. So, we'll start how to do. We'll start with the 0. Okay, now from 0, if I add 2 to 0, what I will get? 0 plus 2, I'll get 2 over here. Okay, then again if I add the same number 2 to the given number, Okay, now 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Again, if I add 2 to this given number, that is 2 plus 4, what I get? 6. Again, if I add 2 to this given number, that is 6 plus 2, what I get? 8. Okay, again, if I add 2 to 8 given number, what I get? 10. Then again, if I add 2 to 10, that is the given number, what I get? 12. Alright, if I further do, now 12 plus 2, what I get? 14. Okay, so this is the skip counting what I have shown you on the tree. Alright, so let's do the skip counting on the number line. Okay, we'll do skip counting by 2 on the number line. Same what we have done it on the tree. Okay, same way we'll do it on the number line also. Alright, now how we'll do? From 0, I will go to number 2. Okay, what is that? 0 plus 2. I have got 2 over here. Then again from 2, if I add 2 again, what I get? 4. 2 plus 2, I get 4 over here. Okay, then again from 4, if I go on to 6 by adding 2 plus 4, I get 6 over here. Okay, keep on adding the same number, that is 2 to the given number. Okay, now 6 I have got. Now 6 plus 2 is how much? 6 plus 2 is 8. So I will move on to 8. Okay, so 2 plus 6, I have got 8. Again, if I add 8 plus 2, I will get 2 plus 8, I will get 10 over here. Okay, then again same from 10, if I add 2 to the given number, what will get? 12. That is 2 plus 10 is 12 over here. Alright, then again if I add 2 to 12, what I get? 14. Alright, this 2 plus 12, 14. Okay, this is how we can show it on the number line also. Now, there is one more way. Now, let's shade every second number in the grid. Okay, I have written the numbers from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now in this grid, we will shade the second number. Second means we are doing the counting in twos also only. Okay. So which is my second number over here? Number 2. Now after this, I will move on to the 4 number. That means 2 plus 2 is 4. How we have done it on the number line? 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, same way I will shade it over here. Then 4 plus 2, what I get? 6. So I will shade this number. Now 6 plus 2 is 8. So I will shade this number 8 over here. Now 8 plus 2, 10. So keep on adding to the given number. Okay, whatever number we are shading. Okay, that number you have to add 2. Alright, now add 2 to this 10, what you will get now? 12. Now shade this 12. Now 12 plus 2 is what? 14. Now 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Now 18 plus 2 is 20. So I have shaded the numbers which are in the second column. Alright. The numbers which are in twos, I have shaded that. Okay children. So in this way you can remember your maths tables also. Okay. How? Whatever number we have shaded in twos. Alright. Now start. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, okay, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Isn't it easy? If you know the skip counting, you can do the tables or you can learn the tables also in the same way. Alright, now we have done the counting, the skip counting with 2. Now we do it with 3 number 3. Okay, skip counting by 3 on the same number line. How we have done it by 2? Okay, we'll do it by 3 over here. So from 0, I will move on to 3. How? 0 plus 3 is 3. Now again I will add the same number 3. This number has to be added, okay, to the previous number. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Okay. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now again add the number. 3 plus 6, that is 9. Alright. Then again 3 plus 9 is what? 12. Okay. Then 3 plus 12 is what? 15. Now 3 plus 15 is 18. Alright. This is how you will do the skip counting by 2 over here. Alright. Now we will show the skip counting on this grid also. We will shade the every third number over here. Alright. Now look at this. Which is the third number over here? 3. Alright. So same. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. And 27 plus 3 will give you 30. Okay. This is how you will shade the numbers over here. Okay. Now same way you can learn your 3 timetable also over here. How? The number which you have shaded, start saying the table from there. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Okay, like this you can learn your table also. Alright children? Okay children, now we will do the exercise from the book. Okay, now take out page number 86. Okay, a question, that is count and fill in the missing numbers. Alright, now look at the first question, that is 16 and the next number is 18. Okay, now my one number is missing over here, that is 17. Alright. Now same way, after 18 I will miss one number, that means I will skip one number and I will write the next number. That is, after 18 I will skip 19, I will write over 20. The next after 20, what number comes? 21. This number I will skip, I will write 22. Then after 22, 23, I will skip this number 23 and I will write here 24. Alright, I have to skip one number over here. Alright, now come to the next part. My first number is 8. Alright, and my second number is 12. Now let's see how many numbers are missing over here. Alright, after 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 is written over here. Okay, so how many numbers are missing? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so same way after 12 I will miss 3 number and write the next number over here. So after 12 what will come? 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I have skipped number over here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then again after 16 I will skip 3 number over here. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19. Next number will be 20. Then again skip 3 number. After 20, we skip again 3 number. That is 21, 22, 23. So what will be my next number? 24. Now come to the next question. That is B question. Skip the numbers in threes. Okay, how we have done? Skip counting in 2s, by 2s and 3. Same way here we will do. Okay. Now 6, 9, 12. These numbers are given to us. Okay. What we have to do? We have to add 3 to the given number. Okay, 3 will be added to the given number over here. Now my last number over here is 12. So 12 plus 3 is how much? 12, take out your 3 fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, my next number is 15. Okay, now start counting up to 15. 16, 17, 18. 18. Okay. 18, 19, 20, 21. Next number. Okay, then next number will be 24. Keep on adding 3 to the given number. Okay. 27. Okay, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30, 30 plus 3, 33, 33, then again 3 add, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36, 37, 38, 39. 39, 40, 41, 42. Alright children, keep on adding 3 to the given number, okay? Alright, now come to the next one. Now skip the numbers in tens now. Same way we have to add 10 to the previous number over here. 20, 30, 40. Okay, so 40 plus 10 will be how much? 50. 50 plus 10. 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100, 100 plus 10, 110, then plus 10 again to this previous number, that will give you 120, then again add 10 to the previous number, you will get 30, 130, then last 140 you will get. Alright. I hope you have understood this skip counting children. Okay, so keep practicing this skip counting at home so that you will be clear with your doubts. Okay children.